Hi, today we're talking about IT service ticket form. This is simply a form designed to streamline your IT service management within the organization. So once the candidate fills in all the details that you can see over here with the issues or whatever the problems they're facing and they click on submit, the response gets captured under the responses view. So we have a responses tab over here which can capture all the responses and we can see the details over here. How exactly will this work? Just go to the form builder, click on share form, and you can see that all the links are enabled over here. Click on copy form link and then just expose this link to the particular person who is going to fill out this form. Okay, so once the form is exposed to them, they can fill out the details. So I'm just going to quickly fill in some of the details over here, and then we are going to see how exactly this will operate. So I'm just randomly filling in the details. I'm not uploading any screenshot. I'm just going to provide the problem and I'll click on submit. So as I do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. So if I go back to the ticket form, you can see under the responses view, we have a new submission that has been generated over here. Okay. So this is how the IT service ticket form functions, and you can generate any ticket responses for your particular use case. Obviously, all these fields are customizable and editable as per your requirement. You can play around with all the settings as per your choice. This is just predefined custom fields for a use case. I also want to talk about a new tool, that is PDF output. A PDF output is a tool which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. So if you have a requirement of generating PDF documents in bulk, you can do this with the help of PDF output. It utilizes a Notion page as a source of template file where the PDF document is defined, and it requires a Notion database where you can define the content of the database to replace on the Notion page to generate documents in bulk. I've added a video of how you can do the exact same for invoices. You can watch this video to understand more about the process. Besides this, you can obviously reach out to me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you or assist you with any of the issues. So please to check out PDF Output if you are in need of bulk PDF automation. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.